My non-orange part of my makeup is all done, but I am going to make a big statement right now. So I don't know, whoever has been with me a while, I don't know if you remember my unboxings I used to do for like this smaller subscription box company called Gazelle Beauty or Gazelle Beauty Box or something like that. Well, I only got like 3 or 4 of their boxes, but in that came the Physicians Formula Primer Argan Whale. Argan Whale. I'm pretty sure I said that the first time I unboxed it too. Argan Wear with coconut water. Okay, it's an argan oil based primer with coconut water. I haven't touched this since I unboxed it in that unboxing a few months back. Today's my 2nd day wearing it and I am floored with how good this is. My makeup went on like butter. Like everything that's sitting on top of it is a dream. It makes your skin look like skin. I'm like combination dry at the moment because of the weather's getting cooler. So my guess would be like if you're combination dry, normal to very dry, you will love this. And let it sink in for like a good minute or 2 before you start doing the rest of your makeup. But oh my god, it's really fucking good. So let's do some under eye work, and I'm gonna be using the Revolution Pro palette and Intoxicate, and again the Persia shadow from NARS. Oh, and this is the Vintage Company Step 1 brush that came in like a boxy charm not long ago, just in case anybody's interested. I love this for doing under the eye work. I'm gonna smudge it out with this IT Cosmetics brush. It's the Airbrush Precision Shadow in 112. And I'm gonna use this kind of light peachy shade to kind of blur everything under my eyes. All right, so for blush, we're gonna be using the NYX High Definition Blush in Double Dare. Love me a good orange blush, and this is a good fucking orange blush. Be very careful with it because it's like very, very pigmented. Oh, yes it is, yes it is. Oh god. I'm like literally just dabbing this on my cheeks. Okay, and then we are going to buff it out. There we go. Now I don't have an orange highlighter because, I mean, that would be horrible. We are going to use the Wet n Wild Moon Tears. P.S. Did anybody else see that they have loose highlighters now? And I'm pretty sure they have one that is exactly this color. So anybody who's been wanting this, who missed out on it, like, I don't know when the hell this was from, but now's your chance. Oh my god, this is like, it just looks like your cheeks are wet. Oh my god, they're like mirrors. All right, and last but not least, lipstick. And we were gonna go with the matte shade from ColourPop in Trapeze. I haven't actually really gave this a real shot yet. I think I swatched it and that was it. So I'm pretty fucking excited. I don't know why I'm really into like reds and orange lip colors lately. This has to be because of the primer too. I know I look crazy at the moment, but did you ever put on lipstick and it like kind of jumps across your lip line, like you have like little marks where like you have wrinkles in your lips, like at the edges, like you see little like dips of where you have to like smooth it out? Even that primer like made that like almost gone. And this is the finished look. What do you guys think of this fun little orange monochromatic makeup look? Let me know your thoughts in the box below. Let me know if you tried any of these things, and let me know which monochromatic look you've loved so far out of my series that I've done. I think I have 2 left. I'm gonna do black and red. So yeah, black and red are soon to come, so keep an eye out. And make sure you keep your eye out because my end of the year giveaway is about to drop very soon. If it hasn't already. If it already dropped, I'll list it in the box below. If it hasn't, then keep an eye out because it's coming very soon. All right, so that was it. I'll list everything I use in the box below, and next time I'll see you guys later. Bye.